Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm just going to share with you one of the clay tables that we built for our SaaS campaign. So let's get started. So this is the clay table that we built, and as you can see here, these are all SaaS companies, and the way we've filtered these SaaS companies is that we have checked each of these companies to see if they have a book a demo option, because we believe that if they have a book a demo option on their website, then most likely they are selling high ticket software solutions. So that's how basically we qualified all these SaaS companies. So after qualifying these companies, what we've done next is that we've identified all the decision makers from these companies, and these are head of marketing, founders, CEOs, head of growth. These are all the job titles. And then we've used Apollo and email waterfall to find the email addresses of these people. These are all the email addresses that were found. And then we use email verifier to validate all the email addresses in this clay table. So these are the results. So some of the emails are okay, then some of them are catch-all, and then some are error or invalid. So what we've done here is that we've only enriched or continued the enrichment for contacts with OK, with the status OK or verified email addresses. So the next enrichment here is we've basically cleaned up the company name. So just to make sure that extensions like PTY, LTD are not going to be included in the company name. We've also used ChatGPT to clean the job title. So basically any unnecessary elements on the titles will be removed. And then after cleaning the company name and the job titles, the next type of enrichment that we've done here is that we've identified the type of solutions that this company offers. So for example, this company offers AI-driven backup solutions for Microsoft 365 and security compliance solutions, because we are going to use this as an AI snippet to personalize our cold email outreach. And then another type of enrichment is that we've checked the ICP of each of this prospect or each of this company. So for this specifically, the ICP of this company are small and medium-sized IT service providers. And then right here, we've also made a custom prompt identifying one customer name of the company, because we're gonna be using that for email personalization, which I'm going to share with you later. So I'll share with you the cold email campaign that we built on Instantly as well. So some of this have no suitable customer. So maybe this column needs more refinement so we can get more results from here. And then after extracting the sample customer name, we've also used Claygen to extract any thought leadership available online. So it could be a podcast, an article, a YouTube video where these people shared something valuable. So after extracting that data, we've used them to personalize or to create a personalized PS note. So here's an example. So I appreciate your focus on user-generated replays in sports from your LinkedIn post. Enhancing player engagement truly makes a difference. This PS note is not bad. So this is something that we can incorporate after the email signature. And then what's interesting about this table is that we've also extracted a couple of competitor names. So right here, you're gonna see the competitor names, and we're gonna be using that. We're gonna be incorporating that on our cold email campaign. So later, I'll show you how it looks like when it gets incorporated to the cold email. And then case study. So we're also extracting the company name from their case study section. So for example, this company was found from this company's case study section. And as for the final enrichment, so we push over all this data, these contacts, as well as the data that we gathered to our Instantly campaigns. And then we've been also using HeyReach to target all prospects. So we've also enrolled these people or contacts to our HeyReach campaigns. So this is how the campaign looks like. I'm gonna show you the campaign that we've built on Instantly. So this is for email step 1, and as you see here, we're using the type of solutions as a call out. So this is from the clay table. So about your conversational AI and customer engagement. That's the subject line. And then for the first line, so we're mentioning the type of solutions that they offer. So this is the type of solution. And then this is the ICP. We've gathered this data using ClayGen. This is the second line, and we're mentioning one client name here just to make the email really personalized and highly relevant for our prospects. And then our offer and the call to action. This is basically the first email, and for our second email, we are mentioning one competitor name. So we're saying something like, I was doing some research and I found that people often compare you to Twilio, and then a very short call to action. And then for the third email, so we're mentioning the name of the case study or the client name from a case study. And then we're mentioning something like, I saw on the site that you've created success for companies like American Express, and then our offer. So yeah, basically this is how we built our campaign. And this is the clay table that we've created for that specific campaign that I've shared with you. So if you would like to, get a copy of this template, just kindly comment SaaS and I will send you the link to this clay table template. So that's pretty much it. If you got any questions around clay, just comment down below or message me on LinkedIn.